Good job, Jeffrey.
You were 82, good?
Just passed with your right ear.
Workplace, statement of territory.
Sleeping right through it.
Mhm.
Pure Illinois.
All right, 100% both ears.
Yay.
100%, buddy. No excuses now.
No excuses, no
No.
selective hearing for you.
No selective hearing.
We can't